I'm Kadijah Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So I'm pretty excited about today's video because I'm going to be using aloe vera. Y'all, I love using aloe vera in my hair. I have a couple videos here on my channel already. I'll be sure to link it in the description box below so y'all can check those out as well. So because I love aloe vera so much for its benefits of moisturizing your hair, growing it, I'm going to be using aloe vera overnight. Yes, we're going to sleep in it to reap the benefits. Honestly, lately I've been neglecting my hair and she needs some good old TLC, so I'm just gonna be doing, you know, hella stuff to my hair so she can get back right. My edges is like breaking off. Y'all, I gotta get it together. We're finna get started today. So this is a twist out that I had done, and it's time to get some more moisture back in my hair. Of course, I have to do some sections because you'll never get nothing done by trying to do just, you know, all of this at once. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just put this side up first, and we're gonna start over here. So because I don't want to just go ahead and start putting the aloe on my hair like this, I do have my spray bottle and I'm just gonna go ahead and start wetting my hair. Now, not only am I going to be using aloe vera, I'm also going to be using some extra virgin olive oil. Y'all know olive oil is great for your hair as well. So I really just want to get it pretty wet, not really like soaking, but you know, you gotta make it movable, easier to work with. So as y'all seen, I already went ahead and cut my aloe vera into slices. There are actually a couple ways you can cut up your aloe vera. You can slice it. I've seen some people put it in a blender, which I tried and it didn't work out for your girl. Had these little damn flakes all in my hair, so I don't recommend the blender method. But yeah, I just always slice mine. Some people cut the stuff out and use it, but I feel like that just, no, it's too much work. Basically, I have it like cut into a chunk, like if I sliced a piece off of the aloe, and then I cut those little sticker, briar, whatever, them little sticker things, those spike things that be on the side, off, and then slice it down the middle, and you have this. And this is how I use it. And I just rub it on my hair. Now you may be wondering, what happens when some of the juice runs out? You just take your fingernail and put little pokes in it, and the juice will start to come back out. Just kind of squeeze it. It's already starting to make my hair revert too, because it wasn't a twist out, and it's starting to make, you know, my regular curl pattern pop back out. So I broke this one section down into smaller sections like this, applied a little bit of water to it, and then put some more aloe on it to like completely saturate it. So now this section is completely saturated with the aloe. And now I'm about to follow up with the extra virgin olive oil. And lastly, I'm just gonna brush it all through. I don't know what it is with aloe vera, but it kind of itches. You know, like when you was little and you went outside, played, and rolled around in the grass, and you came back in and you felt like, it felt like that. That's what aloe vera like feels like on your skin. Like that's what my neck feels like right here, because the hair has touched my neck. And it feel like I've been outside rolling around in grass. So this section is all good, and I'm gonna just twist it up. Lock everything in real good. All right, so I'm about to move on to the next section. So basically, once I've rubbed like 1 or 2 aloe slices through my hair, it isn't completely saturated in the aloe yet. I separate it into my smaller sections, and that's when I like you know, get it in there really good. And I take my aloe half and I start right at my root. Just start rubbing it. And I go under. And now it's like saturated in the aloe. Make sure I get it on my edges, because as I told y'all, my edges been breaking off, so we gotta get these back in order. Yeah, see my curls just starting to pop. And I don't know if I told y'all this, but this process is messy. So I finally finished applying all of the aloe and olive oil to my hair, and I just have it in 5 twists right now, and I'm about to pin these up so I can go to bed. So I'm gonna just swing these right here, clip them. I'm gonna swing these 3 right here. All right, so I have a plastic bag. And I think I'm gonna tie a t-shirt on this too, so let me go grab one. Got my t-shirt. So I'm gonna take this t-shirt and do like a turban style. And I'm trying to get like a good amount of fabric back here so that if any drips while I'm asleep, you know, it catches and absorbs. I think I'm gonna need a little hair tie to put over it. So there's that. Then I'll put my bonnet on. All right, hopefully that does the job. I can also put down a towel over my pillow if I want, but I think this might be good. So as I said, I'm gonna leave this aloe vera and olive oil in my hair overnight. I'll be back in the morning to share with you guys the results once I rinse everything out. It is now the next morning and it's time to rinse this out. Last night it did pretty good with not seeping out. I can kind of feel it a little bit on my little tie right here, but none like dripped out. I didn't have to put a towel over my pillow, so that was good. Y'all, I really had this secured up here. I take this off slowly because little pieces of hair be getting caught around. I don't want to snag my hair out. Okay. Let's take it loose. So here it is, all loose. My hair feels nice and juicy. I'm about to go ahead and rinse it out though. So I don't want to leave it in. I probably could leave this in though, honestly, because you can leave aloe vera in your hair and just, you know, style it. But there's like a lot of oil and aloe in here, so I'm gonna rinse it out. So let me go rinse it out and I'll be right back. I'm now fresh out of the shower and my hair feels nice and strengthened. I don't have anything on it and all I did was rinse it out. Didn't shampoo it, use no conditioner or anything. I just rinsed it out because honestly, like I said, you can leave aloe in your hair, so we good. About to go ahead and style my hair. I think I'm gonna do a wash and go today. So yeah, this is it, guys. I could end the video here, but I think I'm gonna just go ahead and style my hair and then come back once it's styled and show y'all my final look for the day. Overall, I like my results. I feel like if I continue to use aloe vera consistently and more frequently, it's gonna help even more. Like, I love aloe. It's just a definite favorite of mine. And my hair looks so good in this wash and go. It looks really elongated. I like it, I like it. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Helps your girl out. Hit the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be instantly notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. And with all of that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.